If you've ever lusted after the Apple Watch but are an Android fan through and through, you'll likely be thrilled by Oppo's entry into the smartwatch market. The company unveiled its digital timepiece, the Oppo Watch, along with a new flagship phone, the Oppo Find X2 Pro, during a press conference in China on Friday, following which it drew immediate comparisons to Apple's iconic square-faced wrist accessory. It's not an exact duplicate, it doesn't feature Apple's digital crown, but the gently curved screen surrounded by metal and a seamless band attachment does feel remarkably familiar. The 4.5mm thick body of the watch is crafted from a combination of aluminum and 3D curved crystal glass, with a ceramic back. A 1.91-inch AMOLED screen reportedly incorporates a flexible hyperboloid display and offers a density of 326 pixels per inch. Straps are made either from fluoro rubber or Italian calfskin and can be swapped out for other designs to suit a particular outfit or occasion. Features and key specs include built-in eSIM cellular connectivity, which can be used to make calls either through your phone number or the watch's own number, listening to music, making payments, fitness tracking. The watch is waterproof to 50 meters. Sleep monitoring. Dual chip system to preserve battery life 40 hours on a single charge, or 21 days in power-saving mode, and the company's own VOOC flash charging tech that takes 75 minutes to reach full charge. The Oppo Watch will be available globally, the company said, arriving first in China on March 24, with other release dates and pricing to be announced later. In China, the watch will run on the Android-based Color OS but will come in other versions tailored to individual countries. That's all we know so far. Please subscribe to Rich Advice for more updates. Thanks for your valuable time. Please like this video, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.